Okay, what I have here is a print. It's a print we bought from Temu. It's like a Moroccan type of thing, I don't know, but you have to put it on it's like a sticker. There's two halves. I'm going to put it on the door, the inside door. So I'm going to show you how you do it and try my best to put it on. Effect. But first you have to get half of the door and mark it half size, and I can stick the one half and then the other half. Okay, you will see I first do the top, a small piece. I take the backing off, and then I make this space where it sits with the masking tape. And then after this, you just take the bottom, then the rest of the back, and then you just wipe it with your cloth as you go. After it has its position, so it's a bit of a flimsy thing, but I'll try my best. And then you can take your knife, what is it, your Stanley knife, and then do the edging. You can see you start pulling the backing from underneath as you go, and then it's kind of straight. Okay, here's the final verdict. There it is. Very nice. Okay, it will fit nice with the rest of the stuff inside the house. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.